It's having a big bearing on the market, there's no question. And it's interesting if you're a technician and you look at the S&P 500, it looks like a double top is forming, which is quite dangerous. So I think people are quite concerned, not only about who will win, but whether there's going to be a hung election. I think a lot of investors, not only in the US, but around the world, are watching this very, very carefully because they know a downturn in the US market will affect everybody.
About the ramifications then, if it is a Biden victory, there was some early positioning in the foreign exchange markets early in the week where broadly you were seeing a bounce in some of the EM currencies, but not all of them. For instance, Turkey and Russia, those two particular currencies were not doing particularly well versus the broader EM basket. What do you think when it comes to stocks, though? Do you think we are, if there is a Biden victory or blue wave sweep, that it could see some momentum back in those EM markets?
I think, yes, emerging markets, by the way, are beginning to slightly outperform the S&P 500, which is quite interesting. And that means there are some people that are diversifying away from the U.S. market. But I believe a Biden victory will probably be bad for the U.S. market and thereby bad for other markets around the world. But it'll be short term because a lot will depend on what measures Biden actually takes. For example, if he decides not to impose tax increases, then that would be good for the markets. So we have to watch what the actual actions are once he gets into office, if he does get into office.